Bionanogenomics technical analysis, fundamental statistics, a major news catalyst, along with reviewing my personal price targets for Bionano. Starting off with the price action, we did validate perfectly this level of resistance we had drawn up since 2 videos ago on Bionano. We now have 1, 2, 3 touch points. Unfortunately, we did break down, unable to confirm the breakout by bouncing off this level of support and then trading sideways for the end of the day, potentially breaking out to the upside. That would be amazing, wouldn't it? Yeah, no, that didn't happen. We broke down 1, 2, 3 levels of support. Finally got validated off this 1150 or 1145 to 1176 ish range. Do I think this is going short-term bearish or short-term bullish? Well, let's drop a Fibonacci, get some more information under our belts. We did close the day green, luckily. That is a bullish sign, of course. We are in a bull flag macroscopically. Do not sell for a loss, please, if we are in a bull flag macroscopically. Also factor in all the potential catalysts. That is not smart, in my opinion. It's not financial advice. Okay, Fibonacci is drawn. This level of green support, this green rectangle, this is substantial support in my opinion, because check out what we have intersecting on it. 38.2% retracement level, 1157 roughly. This level is going to be an extremely strong level of support. Okay, we had heavy buying pressure indicated to me by these long candle wicks, or this is heavy selling pressure. Excuse me, this is heavy selling pressure, long candle wicks. Conversely, these right here, these are heavy buying pressure wicks. Okay, but this is going to be your first level of support to watch. If we break this, we are going to be looking bearish short term, of course. Obviously, this is going to be what we're looking for. An entry around 1110 to 1110, 1120-ish, okay, from the pre-market to tomorrow's after hours. That is an extremely strong trade, in my opinion. This is not financial advice, do your own due diligence. If this drops, if this breaks this level of support, personally, I will probably be adding shares somewhere along this trend line, especially if you can get it where before this trend line ends. These two supports, I mean, the chances of this breaking both of these supports without a major negative news catalyst are extremely small. I don't even see this personally. I don't think this 38.2% retracement level is going to be broken tomorrow. We definitely could. That's not a strong prediction. We definitely could break, but I'm definitely not as confident in that prediction as I am as my prediction that unless we get some major news catalyst, guys, we are going to be trading inside this bull flag for another 7 days. And then the price target, if we break to the upside, will be enormous. Luckily, that is the good news. But if we break tomorrow and see 5% down day, or almost 5% down day, don't freak out. Load up more shares in this area. If we now definitely when you load up right here, watch to make sure that we confirm this validate. Then we confirm and validate this level of support. Because if we do not, I mean, if we break this, who knows how far we're going down. Personally, I don't see that happening at all, though. So fundamental statistics, let's go over them. Short interest, 18%. This is about the same as yesterday, but it's important to know we're going to be checking this every time because we got to know if the shorts cover or not. They have not. We have still a short squeeze potential with shorts with a short position like that, short percentage like that. Okay, this is the news that everyone's not really freaking out about. I kind of am though. Okay, here's the thing: Bionanogenomics is going to have way more potential in the cancer research space than people realize. All it takes is a couple good studies from cancer research developments with Bionano Sapphire technology, and this stock is going to explode. Imagine what would happen with cancer study. Okay, short squeeze, 18%. All these shorts will cover. Literally, all of them will cover. And what if ARK vested on top of that, like right at the same time frame? That would be insane. Like right before this, man, that would probably be a triple up, if not quadruple up, in my opinion. But yeah, that's wishful thinking, obviously. But all these things can happen, and I think they will happen before the end of the year. That brings me to the current positions, and these are my price targets. That's one reason why my end of year price target bull case is $100 to $200. All the potential catalysts. There's a huge chance that ARK will invest, in my opinion. Doesn't mean they necessarily have to hit this end of year safe price target or even this end of year bull case. But add ARK Investing, add the cancer research, add their Sapphire technology capabilities. They have a ton of stuff that I'm not even talking about. We're not even diving into the technology here, but the potential is there for $50 end of your safe price target, in my opinion. Let's talk about the short-term price target, March 4th, $15. We're currently trading at 1192. We got a way to go, but I'm completely confident because once we come to the end of this consolidation, if we don't break to the upside before with a major news catalyst, we haven't seen a negative news catalyst since I can't even remember the last negative news catalyst besides like some Wall Street idiot downgrading the price. Okay, Wall Street analysts are wrong 9 out of 10 times in my opinion, but this is my price target. We already hit microvision out of the park. If you took the advice of my price targets, BioLay Smart, I mean, we're up on every single one of these positions. I mean, let's take a look real quick on the day. These are all my positions. I just added this one in on the dip. Yeah, I mean, I mean, if you took this advice, it's not financial advice, but if you took this advice, you're sitting pretty good right now. Relevant information in regards to the title has finished now. Feel free to click off if you have better things to do. Helpful tips. Follow stocks you own on Reddit and Twitter. This is important because you do not want to be the guy checking Webull and seeing a direct offering on Nano Dimension after they've already done 5 in the last month, and then having a bleeding day of like 5-10% down on you. You want to be able to see this immediately, see if and assess the information, see if you need to take some profits to close out of your position completely. If you're that scared of whatever the news may be, or whatever you need to do, add more, whatever it is. Free starts Webull in description. Pre-market and after hours trading with Webull. Very few other brokers offer this. Please do that. That you're doing yourself a huge favor, in my opinion. Comment what stocks I need to cover next. I will cover them. Open a Roth IRA. If you haven't done this already, I strongly recommend you can do it with Webull. You can do it with Charles Schwab. Comment any questions. I will answer them. Thank you so much. Bio Nano to the moon, and I will see you in the next one.